In primetime news this evening,
Former Prime Minister Edward Seaga laid to rest.
I boldly assert the name of Edward Philip George Seaga will live on generation after generation.
Winston too believes that Eddie was, and I quote, a true West Indian stalwart.
Until we meet again, may bright angels gather around you. Walk good, my father, my mentor, my friend.
good evening and welcome to this special edition of Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening we have the business review, international news, weather, and Karen Madden has the latest developments in sports.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines brought to you